Yes, mga boss, mahilig ba kayo sa bags? Naku, tamang-tama ang ating next segment. Dahil aalamin natin yan with Carla Paderna sa One Life Fashion.
Good morning mga boss, good morning fashionistas. Andito tayo sa isang bag boutique. Alamin natin kung ano bang swak na bag para sa inyo. At this morning kasama natin ang marketing manager ng Chic Bags na si Chester. Good morning, Chester.
Hello, hi! Welcome to Chic!
Alam mo talaga ng mga very catchy at talaga mga nakakaagaw pansin itong very fashionable bags niyo. So siguro medyo kwentuhan mo naman kami. Paano ba nagsimula itong negosyo niyo?
Okay, so it started with my boss actually 7 years ago. We've been in the industry for 7 years now. Yes, locally designs yung mga bag. It started actually with her friend kasi yung friend niya bagaholic. From there, we find the perfect market.
So, kayo mismo yung nagde-designs ng mga bags and then kayo mismo ba may sarili ba kayong kumbaga factory?
We have our own production. Proudly local made lahat.
Napansin ko, no, talaga may iba't ibang klaseng bags dito na pwedeng for working girls, pwedeng for, casual days and school girls. So, siguro bigyan mo ng tips yung ating mga boss dyan kung ano ba yung perfect na bag for, kunyari, mga working girls.
Well, we have a lot of bags specifically made for women in the Philippines and also, of course, for an international appeal. But for me, personally, we have our bucket bags. This one is available in 3 sizes, in 2 closures and 26 colors, which we are proud of. Yes, it's been with us for 2 years now. Perfect for everyone actually, from working people, students, even moms. They use it as their diaper bag. For younger market, we have our alligator bag. It's available in 2 fabric. The one which is a luminous collection and one is in matte. So you can go partying from night and go back to your study during the morning. Currently, we have this cherry trios sling. This allows you to interchange the color of your body versus that of the middle. Whenever you're feeling blue but you still want to add a hint of sunshine, you can put in black and yellow as a combination. Our Speedy or Boston bag, you can wear it over your shoulder or you can sling it around your body.
Usually makikita mo to sa mga working women, pero since it's pastel pink, parang perfect na siya for students din, no? Bukod sa mga fashionable bags nyo, meron din kayo mga ibang products. Ano ba to?
Yes, we just launched our shoes line. We called it Souls of Chic or SOS. One of my personal favorite is what we call the scallop flats. It's classic but with a twist because we added some details dun sa cutout ng shoes.
Ako naman, my favorite is ito. 'Di ba? Parang ballerina, right?
We call it grace because of the term ballerina.
Saan ba namin pwedeng bilhin itong mga products nyo? So please invite our viewers.
Sure. I'm Chester. I'm handling the marketing of Chic. You can visit us on Facebook or Instagram. So we also have our website, www.chicbags.com.
Thank you so much, Chester. Nag-enjoy ako sa ating chikahan. Yan, mga boss, basta fashion, I always have something new for you. Ito po ulit si Carla Paderna for One Life.
Ayan, napakaganda naman ng mga bags na nakita mo. At syempre, yung nakausap mo parang very enthusiastic ka talaga
Tama.
about
Oo,
that
sobrang
product,
saya
no?
ko nung nakita ko yung boutique na yon. Alam mo, perfect na perfect yun na pangregalo sa mga sa girlfriend mo or sa mommy mo,
Yun
sa
nga,
friend
actually
mo.
sinasabi mo nga ngayon sa age natin, tapos na tayo sa mga gadgets na pagregalo.
Yes.
Ngayon,
Oo, bags na.
sa mga boyfriend, sa mga boyfriend, girlfriend, bags na ngayon
Tama.
niregalo. So at least yan, meron ng idea yung mga boss natin kung saan sila pwedeng bumili ng kanilang mga regalo.